Let's make a cosplay bow. The pattern I'm using is in the video description. For this video, I'm using the largest size. To begin, we have to iron our fabric. Then I cut the fabric to size. This fabric will be folded in half to become the main part of the bow. We will be sewing down this edge and then scrunching it to get the shape that we want. Then cut out the interface, which is about ½ an inch smaller on all sides. I don't have heavyweight, so I'm just using this tearaway interfacing that I have. Now we can iron down these sides for sewing. For the tail part of the bow, we have this kind of like trapezoid shape. Once it's all folded, it'll look something like this. So for the other part of the bow, I'm just gonna sew around the edge like this, and then leave an opening so that I can turn it inside out. Now I'm gonna flip the bow parts the right way around. Make sure to get the points, and if you're using scissors like me, be very careful not to cut the fabric. Sew this opening shut. Don't worry so much about the seam because it won't be visible once the bow is fully assembled. Now carefully scrunch the bow until you get the shape that you like. Take a little bit of scrap fabric or some string and tie it. Make sure to put the knot on the back. Then reshape to make sure that the inside of the bow isn't visible because it's just interface. Take the bottom part of the bow and shape it how you like, and we'll also tie this to the main part of the bow, just like we did in the last part.
Wow, so cute.
Now the last part of the bow will hide all these ugly seams, and then you can hand sew it onto the back. And now you have a very cute cosplay bow.